We built the Powerhouse at CBT to help our customers better understand how they can utilize the latest and greatest technology to improve the design of their machinery and optimize their manufacturing processes. The Powerhouse is a model and working demo of the Internet of Things for the industrial plant floor, also known as the Connected Enterprise or Industry 4.0. Everything on this wall has an Ethernet connection to tie all the components together for improved control of the equipment and to provide feedback to the operators. The entire room is actually tied into the demo wall by a Cat 6A Panduit Gold certified network to allow additional demos to be added through the floor to mimic different applications within the manufacturing environment. Our customers come in to visit us and work with our team of specialists and engineers to develop proof of concepts and to test bold new ideas they want to implement on their plant floor or in a new piece of equipment in the future. In this room, we can test new technology and challenge old ways of thinking without the pressure of downtime and project deadlines. We've created the Powerhouse to help our customers solve their problems and develop solutions. This entire room and the team of specialists that designed it and support it every day is just another example of how we walk the walk at CBT instead of just talking the talk. Please come visit us and see how we can help you improve your processes for the future.